Let me show you how to raise and lower the volume in your video clips in Shotcut. I have a project I'm working on here. It's going to be a concert playing. The music is playing, and then the reporter is going to try to interrupt and talk, but we won't be able to hear her because of the music. But then we're going to fix that. So here it is.
The wait is finally over. The legendary...
Yeah, music is kind of loud, so we're going to lower the volume there. Select your audio clip. Go to filters, and in the audio tab, type in the search bar gain. G-A-I-N for gain volume. So this slider right here is what controls the volume. Check this out.
The wait is finally over. The legendary rock band landed down under...
Alright, so we want to select the audio clip, make the playhead go all the way to the beginning of it, and we need it to be at -5 decibels. Then we're going to add keyframes to control the volume during the clip. So we have it here at -5. We're going to move 2 seconds forward. Then we're going to add the other keyframe. So both of these are going to be at -5 decibels. We're going to move 1 frame up, 2:01, 2 seconds and 1 frame. Add another keyframe and make this one -17. Then go back up to the timeline, select the reporter's clip, and press this forward button to place the playhead at the end of the clip. Now it's lined up to the audio clip. Select the audio clip, go back to keyframes and add another keyframe. That's going to be 17 also, -17. We're going to move up 1 frame, add another keyframe, and this one is going to go back to -5. Now let's play it back.
The wait is finally over. The legendary rock band landed down under this morning, greeted by thousands of excited fans at the airport.
And if you want to have the reporter change positions, here it goes. Go to filters, hit the plus button. I'm going to go on my favorites. I have size, position, rotate. And then I'm going to adjust her screen to make it seem like we're watching the news. And this is what it looks like. Let me go up to the player to make it a big screen up here on the top.
The wait is finally over. The legendary rock band landed down under this morning, greeted by thousands of excited fans at the airport.
That's it. That's how you raise and lower the volume, and that's how you use keyframes to control the volume in your video clips in Shotcut. Thanks for watching.